Jankified Systems here, installing a new to market product, Nino from Screen Innovations. It's been out for a bit now. Just sold the first job out here installing it. Beautiful thing is everything arrived not only on time, but early, which is always great for the customer. The ordering process is everything you're used to with Nano and the other great products from SI, and customer couldn't be happier. Put the first shade up. I went ahead and did a full shade install, set limits, got everything going, just to see how the full process would go end to end. Honestly took, without reading instructions, about 15 minutes. If I'd read the instructions, probably about 5 minutes. If that gives you any idea how much thought was put into the build and the installation and everything. Very intuitive. I only pulled the instructions out because I hadn't seen the remotes or these motors yet. So I wanted to be sure that when I was programming everything, I wasn't screwing anything up. There's the shade. It's up. It's running. I've already set the limits top and bottom. This customer selected some blackout shades. Obviously, they've got a lot of beautiful windows in this room. The sun comes up over there, so their guests here are going to want some blackouts in the morning. I think in terms of sound, noise, motor noise in this room, it's amazing. I have Nano shades throughout my house, and several different types of motors. I've got some 110 motors. I've got some lithium. I have some low voltage motors. All of them are awesome. And I would say these Nino shade motors are right in line with everything else that you would see from Screen Innovation. So kick-ass product. Very happy with the install, and I'm sure this customer is going to be stoked. Great job.